Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Yamaha MT-09. Here we have a Yamaha MT-09. This is a 2021 bike on a 21 plate with just 2,821 miles and 3 owners from new. This bike's in excellent condition and comes with a few accessories. You've got a tail tidy there, as you can see. And there's the Yamaha Heated Grips and bar end mirrors. There's also a fly screen. So just a few nice accessories there. It's in the matte black, which looks absolutely superb on this bike, really menacing. This bike obviously comes with the moniker the dark side of Japan, and if you can have a dark side of Japan bike, well, you may as well have it matte black. The rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches, and the rear tyre is certainly usable with a reasonable amount of life left in it. Private plate on the bike, as you can see, MT-09OWL. That comes with it, because we're nice like that. The petrol tank there, all in excellent condition, and the frame, as you can see there, all good. And all the engine, no paint flaking off, no corrosion anywhere, nothing to apologise for at all on this bike. It's in superb condition. Front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches. The front mud guard, that's all lovely as well. And you've got that fly screen there. This is the updated MT-09, of course, with the new style headlamp, as you can see. The front tyre, bags of life left in that one there. You've got the alley levers there as well. See, this being the updated bike, you get the TFT colour dash, rider modes, ABS, Quickshifter, all the stuff you'd expect on a good level middleweight naked bike. All the paintwork on this left hand side in great condition as well, no marks on the mirrors, bar ends, all the levers, just like on the right hand side. Your front forks are all in excellent condition as well, and the front wheel on this side again, all good. There's a MT-09 Radiator Guard as well. Every time I look at this bike I find something else that it's got. Nice subtle accessories which all seem to be sort of genuine Yamaha stuff as well, which is very nice indeed. Cross plane technology in this bike as well, so you get that distinctive sound even though this is a 3-cylinder motorcycle. It's a great alternative to a Triumph Street Triple, with it being the 3-cylinder, similar sort of power. Chain sprockets all in good condition. You've got those paddock stand bobbins there as well, and that rear wheel on this left hand side all in good condition as well. I'll just show you the shock in there, absolutely as clean as a whistle. There's that Quickshifter we were talking about. The seat, there's no rips, tears or damage there either, and the petrol tank on the top of the tank there, all in good order. There's that colour screen. There's also a USB charging socket there as well, and all your controls for your rider modes and power modes and such there as well. So if you are looking for a hyper naked motorcycle as an alternative to a Triumph Street Triple, look no further than this beautiful Yamaha MT-09. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT. The service is required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this marvellous MT-09, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.